I'm Mike Walton, one of the owners and the Chief Executive Officer for Jamestown Coatings. The company was founded in 1885. Next year we'll celebrate our 140th anniversary.
At Jamestown Coatings, chemists and technicians develop, test, and manufacture coatings to color and protect an amazing variety of products, including shampoo bottles, baking trays, industrial equipment, and even military hardware.
Every day is something new. Even if you're making the same products as you did before, nothing's ever quite the same. It's something you gotta work through. I think that makes it a fun challenge.
Coatings are developed and mixed to meet the specific needs and tolerances for new products. Pigments must be ground up using glass beads before being added to coatings.
Once a coating is all mixed up, it's time for testing.
One of the things I enjoy most about my job is that no day is really the same. We have so many people who are skilled in many different areas when it comes to the lab.
In the lab, samples are tested for coverage, viscosity, adhesion, flexibility, weathering, and much more. Some coatings must withstand high temperatures or years of abuse, while others must be food safe and eye-catching.
Once a coating meets all of its requirements, it gets a stamp of approval. Then it's off to production.
Putting things together in in specific order and following the recipe card is so crucial in what we do.
Everything that was done in the lab is now done on a much larger scale. Ingredients are combined in huge mixers.
Pigments are still ground, but now with large steel ball bearings and giant drums.
I get to physically see the results and I get to see the process from start to finish. And there's something nice about like, hey, I made this thing, I did that.
Finally, coatings are packaged, labeled, and ready for shipping to customers.
When you have a chance to bring in a diverse group of people with diverse skills, you can create something really magical.